Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Tuesday, and you know what? This is NFP week. The most important thing this week is going to be NFP, and as you know, it's going to be on Friday. So you can see that we're going to have NFP here, and also an employment change from Canada. So tomorrow we are going to have service PMI, and Powell is going to speak. These are the most important ones that we have. Yes, we are also going to have unemployment claims or jobless claims, which actually happens almost every week. But just know that most likely when we have NFP, the market tends to not move very nice, you see. And if we check, last month, the actual was 12K or 12 jobs added, 12,000 jobs added. So their forecast now, they say 202, whatever. So yeah, that seems to be a bigger jump. And obviously 12K, I think, is going to be too small. Sorry. So obviously, the number, I don't think the numbers will be going down, continuing going down from last month. So I think the numbers will be going up. But I'm not really sure about 202K. But since it's festive season, anything is possible. But now let's go straight to our quick analysis. Firstly, I just wanted to show you what I actually sent yesterday as the signals. You can see we had gold. It was a buy, and I said it's scalp. USDJPY as a sell, and also US30 as a scalp sell. You see that? So I will be showing you that on the indicator. So firstly, it's gold. So this one was very quick. You can see I saw this nice buy there. I said they should be scalping. Obviously, they made something there, which is a first profit. So the other one is USDJPY and US30. So US30, I saw that we were in a smaller profit. You can see this. So I said scalp because I saw this indicator there, or that signal there. I will also show that on the analysis. So that was a very quick sell, but it seems like the market is still struggling. But anyways, that was a quick scalping. So another one was USDJPY as a quick sell. You can see that. So we actually smashed every signal that I actually sent, and that was actually good. And if you want this indicator, you can see you just throw anything there, it gives you those signals very quick. If you want the system, it's $149 for those who want to be independent, for those who want to create their own signals at their own time, and the indicator doesn't really expire. So which means you actually just enjoy a limited system. I hope that makes sense. So now let's jump straight to our analysis. Oh, this is gold. You can see there. That was a very quick push to the upside. So let's start with DXY, dollar index. I think you can see that dollar index is still struggling, guys, to go down. And on Friday, we have NFP. So something is going to happen here. And we saw that the numbers seems to be favoring the dollar. Maybe NFP, it will be quite positive on Friday. But on DXY, we can see that the market was struggling before we had this breakout. So it seems like the economy, or US economy, seems to be going to push to the upside. You see that? And if it's going to push the upside, it means that the dollar is going to be quite stronger against other pairs like Europe, Canada, JPY. So yeah, so which means the more it pushes up, the more we expect inflation to go up. And we are waiting for the rate cuts, which we don't really know what will happen. But tomorrow, Powell is going to actually specify what might happen, even though it can't be specific, obviously. But it's just going to touch here and there, just to make us aware that, oh, things are still looking good. Or maybe we are going to say, is going to say, we are data dependent, you see. So anyways, we will see what will happen. But at the moment, we can see that DXY or dollar, it's still very strong, even though we see a nice retest there, but obviously the market might end up going up. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. So let's push to the next one. It seems like my connection is a bit slower. Let's see. Okay, it's loaded. It's fine. So on gold, this is a daily time frame. You can see that gold has been going up, guys, and it doesn't really seem to be going down, even though we had this nice rejection reversal there. But the overall structure, we can see that the market seems to be continuing going higher. So the best thing that we can do is to try and go on a 4-hour time frame just to see what's really happening. I tried to clear everything so that we can have a clear structure. So this is what we have at the moment. So I did not really want to draw so much here, but you can see that at the moment we have a nice structure going like that. That's why I said, you know what, let's just have a nice quick buy yesterday there, and that was a very nice one. You saw that even the indicator actually agreed, you see. So if we draw that, we can see that the market seems to be ranging around those levels. But if we draw a nice structure from this level going back there, because this thing is evolving slower, so we can draw this and say this is a potential support that we have. We can see several touches, which makes sense. I'm trying to draw double lines there. Just know that towards December, guys, mostly the market becomes quite complicated. Sometimes the market doesn't really move that much. That's why sometimes it's actually good to have an indicator. You can trade so many things. You can trade pairs that you never traded before. You can just plug that, throw them there, currency pairs, everything, and you get quick signals, and you can take that. So you don't really have to stick to one thing that is not really moving at that time, you see. So yeah, anyways, let's see what's really happening here. You can see that on gold, after I said we should buy, we can see that the market is still struggling, but we have this smaller push to the upside. This is a very a nice support area. I can't say it's very strong because we can see that the market is still struggling to go up, but when we check nicely, this first reversal there give us another clue that you see that zone, it's actually something. So we have something like that. So there is a chance that the market might just play around this area before we see a nice push. Remember, on Friday, we are waiting for that NFP. Things might change very quick around that time. But tomorrow we still have also Powell speaking. So I don't think that is going to be quite aggressive to the market. But I think NFP, there's no way we are going to see a very nice push. But at the moment, I think, yeah, the market is still on this nice uptrend. I will be actually monitoring this very closely because around this time, I also actually jump straight to gold just to see what we can get. You can see that here, when we see the market is not really moving that much, this is US30. We can see that since last week, the market has been playing around the same level. Even though I said, let's scalp that yesterday, you can see that we did not really have a huge move, but a smaller sell there, I think is going to happen as the market is still struggling around this resistant area. Do you see that? So this is a proper resistant area that I think the market will end up respecting. So if I show you this from back there, you can see that it's been there for quite some time. So it's not like maybe we just creating stories. You can see that. So the market has been respecting this level. So there is enough chance that the market can respect that. Yes, the overall structure, it is still that uptrend, you see. It's still that uptrend, but one way or another, we expect that reversal. So I will be monitoring this very nice and just to see. So if maybe you want to sell there, it's just a scalping. Don't hold that longer because this is still on that nice uptrend. So which means anything can happen. So while we were still focusing on US30 and gold, the market was around this level. Guess what? I did not really see this type of a move. I did not really see or catch that move because I think it happened very quick. I just checked the market. Whoa, the market was already up. But if I saw it earlier, I was going to jump on it, but unfortunately I missed that. But if you can check here, the market has been actually pushing very nice on Nasdaq. So we can see that the market was moving like that. But we reached a level or a zone that we can say, you know what, that is actually a nice resistant area that we can say the market might respect. I think from this area, we will be expecting the market to break out here, or maybe the market to reverse, you see. So it's something like that. So the market might reverse around those levels. Do you see that? So if it doesn't really reverse, it means we're going to have a proper buy or bullish structure. But be extra careful. Sometimes the market might break with a smaller candlestick and you just jump in. Guess what? The market reverses and we don't really want that. So if it breaks, wait for it to confirm that move before you jump in. But if you have the system, that can be quite easy. That can be quite easy to see. So it will wait for confirmation before it gives you anything. So anyways, I think for today, this is enough. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So for those who want the system, don't forget to scan that QR code, talk to me, and yeah, you can enjoy unlimited signals. So thank you very much. This is Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.